pretty penny on them. Fuel pressure holds perfectly around 42 psi. Took this car for a drive and without the scan tool, but just making sure the fuel pressure gauge was great, that it never dropped below 35 psi. So I'm going to say that fuel pressure is awesome. Battery voltage 14.2. I know the alternator's working. Yeah, position. I think we just hit close. Let's go find out. Yep, we just hit close loop. The integrator's now around pretty low. But the car's doing some weird surgery right now. My guess is probably because of the O2 sensor. Car doesn't run any better without closed loop. Still does the misfire type situation. To update you on all this, I missed the distributor, and I no longer have any arcing on the heads. I no longer have any blue glowing spark plugs. I swapped the ignition control module with a genuine GM just to rule that out too. So whatever's going on with this car, the misfire is not, I don't think it's spark related anymore. I don't know anymore, because the fuel pressure is amazing on this car. The injectors don't leak down, as you can tell, because my fuel pressure would have dropped if they did leak down. It holds fuel pressure. I didn't totally see on how long it holds fuel pressure for, but I'm going to say for the next day when I break open the main feed line and it wants to spray gas, I'm pretty sure, I'm going to just say that it held fuel pressure for a day. I'm just watching the integrator lean out for some reason. It's climbing up. We are in neutral, and when I give this car gas, it bogs down. The fuel pump is brand new. The fuel pressure holds. I don't think it's fuel related. It's bogging down there. Now it's great under heavy throttle, but it's not great under light throttle. And this has been killing me. I've been working on this for 2 months now. I don't know what else to do. See? Still bogging there. You can hear it. Bop, 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 bop. Great under high throttle. You know, heavy throttle. But if I go smoothly on the throttle, it bogs down. Like I said, we're in closed loop. I haven't had any codes with this car. The only time I ever end up with codes is if I'm just taking apart electrical connectors,